Hello all guys, how are you all? I hope you all guys will be good and hope you people all will be learning English great and great way. So hello everyone, I'm Sonia and I'm here with another new video. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some most vital tips that you could improve your English skills. Okay, and who people want to learn English language and who people want to speak English language but they can't understand, and who people can understand English easily but when they want to speak English then they can't speak English. You know what I'm saying? Yes, some people can understand English easily but when they want to speak in English with anyone then they can't speak English. Okay, but they can understand easily. So why they can't speak English with anyone? Whereas they can understand English easily, but when they want to speak English fluently, then they can't speak English. So why? So that's the thing. In this video I'm gonna share with you what tips, what activities and what things if you do every day, then you will be able to speak English fluently and effortlessly with anyone. Okay, so if you are new here, so first subscribe this channel and because if you do subscribe then get me motivation to make more videos, so please don't forget subscribe this channel and keep watching this video. So without any delay, let's get started our video. So my dear listener, to be honest, if I say that uh, even if you can understand English easily, but when you want to speak English then you can't speak English, then you are not able to speak English, right? So why? Listen, it is just because of lack of practice. Yes, even if you can understand easily but you do not speaking practice yourself, that's why you could not speak English fluently. Even if you talk about fluently and just normally speaking, you would not speaking with anyone in English when you want to speak, but you can understand English that another people would think say with you can understand easily, but when you want to give answer that, then you would not give answer. Guys, it's a lack of practice. You don't do practice more and more. If you do practice more and more, then you will be become fluent English speaker. Okay, so the more you practice the more you will be become fluent English speaker. So practice more and more. Okay, speaking practice every day, 10 to minutes every day speaking practice. Do speaking practice, whatever comes in your mind just speak in English. Okay, yes, and English you can understand easily, but you would not speak English just because of lack of practice. So practice, the more you practice the more you will become confident in English. Okay, so yes guys, every day you should learn at least 5 to 10 vocabulary words. If you do learn every day then it's enough for every day, and gradually you will learn so many vocabulary words, because for speaking English language the main thing is vocabulary words. Okay, so simultaneously learn vocabulary words. Okay, and speaking practice, the when you do speaking practice every day then your mind will be ready to speak English fluently and fast way. Okay, and if you do not practice every day then you only can understand in English, but when you will speak in English then you can't speak English, then you will be not able to speak English. So practice more and more. At your home you can practice with your sister, brother. You can practice alone. You can record yourself in your mobile and you can listen after recording. You can watch that video and again you can um, improve your mistakes, and gradually you will be able to speak English fluently and effortlessly. Guys, in such a way all people are improving their English skills. So if you wanna speak English, if you wanna improve your English skills, then you can improve your English skills. Just you have to follow some tips and ways every day. Just speaking practice, listening practice, and reading practice, and improve your vocabulary words, learning vocabulary words. Guys, listen English podcast every day, at least 10 to 15 minutes you can watch, and listening will be improving your pronunciation. Okay, so listen as much as possible every day, and speaking practice as much as possible every day, and improve your vocabulary words every day, at least 10 to at least 5 to 10 vocabulary words you should learn every day. Okay, so if you do these things simultaneously, then no one can't stop you to be fluent in English speaker. Okay, so guys, if you could understand all things, then you can learn English language just a few days. Just you have to follow right guidelines. So and initially when you will do speaking practice, then maybe you feel its nervousness. Don't think negative, think positive, because if you think positive, then all things will be positive way, and if you do think in negative way, then all things will be in negative way. So the main thing is you think a positive way and start learn from today. Don't wait for anyone and start from today. So I think your all doubts have cleared, that who people can understand English easily, but why they can't speak English. So just because of lack of practice, they people can't speak English. So do practice continuously, then you will be able to speak English fluently, and no one can't stop you to be fluent in English speaker. Okay, guys, our video isn't here now, and keep practicing together and keep learning together and keep growing together, and see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye. Until then, keep practicing and keep learning. So we'll meet in the next lecture. And yes, if you didn't subscribe this channel till yet, so please subscribe this channel and motivate me to make more videos. And so keep learning together and keep practicing together and become fluent English speaker. So till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.